Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Sign in to Google Ads and click New Campaign to start a campaign. Choose a clear goal like sales or leads and pick Search or Display for ad placement. Name the campaign with your product or service and add a short description for internal use. Set a daily budget, for example 0 per day, and select a bidding strategy such as maximize conversions or manual CPC. Save basic settings and proceed to audience and targeting configuration now. Choose audience demographics like age 25 to 44 and locations such as United States. Use placement and interest targeting for display campaigns and select keywords for search campaigns. Add keywords using exact, phrase, and broad match types to balance reach and relevance. Set a bid strategy based on goals. For example, target CPA 0 or manual CPC/bin/sh. 50 per click. Adjust bids by device and schedule. Create at least 3 responsive search ads with varied headlines and descriptions to test performance. Include clear calls to action, for example, buy now or request a quote, and highlight prices or promotions. Add ad extensions like site links, callouts, and call extension with a phone number to increase real estate. Install the global site tag and set up a conversion action to track leads or purchases. Monitor results for 14 to 30 days and optimize keywords, bids, and creatives weekly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.